weight loss exercises hacks. Indeed, practice is fundamental for general well-being, yet when you're attempting to shed pounds it turns out to be much more significant. In the event that you're meaning to get in shape without the rec center, you can depend on the best activities to do at home to get more fit. 1. Walking. Walking is probably the best exercise for weight reduction, and understandably. It's helpful and a simple way for novices to begin practicing without feeling overpowered or expecting to buy hardware. Likewise, it's a lower sway workout, meaning it doesn't pressure your joints. It's assessed that a 155-pound, 70-kilogram individual consumes around 167 calories each 30 minutes of strolling at a moderate speed of 4 miles per hour, 6.4 kilometers per hour. A 12-week study in 20 ladies with weight found that strolling for 50 to 70 minutes 3 times each week diminished muscle versus fat and midriff perimeter by a normal of 1.5% and 1.1 inches, 2.8 centimeters, separately. It's not difficult to squeeze walking into your day-by-day daily practice. To add more strides to your day, have a go at walking during your midday break, using the stairwell at work, or taking your canine for additional walking. To begin, intend to stroll for 30 minutes 3 to 4 times each week. You can continuously expand the term or recurrence of your walking as you become more fit. 2. Squat. Start with feet hip-width separated, arms either at sides holding loads or fastened before the chest. Keeping weight in heels and back straight, sit hips back and twist knees to bring down into a squat until thighs are corresponding to the floor. Make sure to keep knees in accordance with toes the whole time. Keep an even speed and ascend back to begin. 3. Jogging or running. Jogging and running are great exercises to help you lose weight. Although they seem similar, the key difference is that a jogging pace is generally between 4 to 6 miles per hour, while a running pace is faster than 6 miles per hour, 9.7 kilometers per hour. Estimates that a 155-pound, 70-kilogram person burns approximately 298 calories per 30 minutes of jogging at a 5 mph, 8 km per hour pace, or 372 calories per 30 minutes of running at a 6 mph, 9.7 km per hour. What's more, studies have found that jogging and running can help burn harmful visceral fat, commonly known as belly fat. This type of fat wraps around your internal organs and has been linked to various chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. 4. Mountain climbers. Start in a board position on the floor. Drive the right knee towards the chest without raising hips or permitting the right foot to contact the floor. Place right foot back in plank and repeat on the other side, driving the left knee in toward chest. Repeat, alternating legs. 5. Cycling. Cycling is a well-known exercise that works on your wellness and can assist you with getting more fit. In spite of the fact that cycling is generally done outside, numerous rec centers and wellness focuses have fixed bicycles that permit you to cycle while remaining inside. Assesses that a 155-pound, 70-kilogram individual consumes around 260 calories each 30 minutes of cycling on a fixed bicycle at a moderate speed, or 298 calories each 30 minutes on a bike at a moderate speed of 12 to 13.9 miles per hour, 19 to 22.4 kilometers per hour. In addition to the fact that cycling is extraordinary for weight reduction, however, investigations have discovered that individuals who cycle routinely have better general wellness, expanded insulin responsiveness, and a lower hazard of coronary illness, disease, and demise, contrasted in the people who don't cycle consistently. 6. Jump rope. Start with feet together, hands holding closures of the leap rope, elbows in toward ribs. Swing the leap rope and step or bounce the 2 feet over. Try not to bounce in the middle, simply hop with each swing of the rope. Working out with rope is an extraordinary absolute body apparatus made for weight reduction. Challenge yourself to finish an entire moment of bouncing. It's harder than you might suspect. Check the length of the leap rope by holding it in each hand and guaranteeing the handles line up with shoulders. 7. Swimming. Swimming is a fun way to lose weight and get in shape. Estimates that a 155-pound, 70-kilogram person burns approximately 233 calories per half hour of swimming. How you swim appears to affect how many calories you burn. For 30 minutes, a 155-pound, 70-kilogram person burns 298 calories doing the backstroke, 372 calories doing breaststroke, 409 calories doing butterfly, and 372 calories treading water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.